Man chopped to death in St. Catherine. Wanted man nabbed at sister's house in St. James. Inmate nabbed at house in Portland a day after escaping from prison. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Guy's police have launched an investigation into the chopping death of a man in Middlesex District in St. Catherine. The man's mutilated body was found about 11 a.m. on Saturday. The resident who made the discovery summoned the police. Upon their arrival, the police reportedly observed that there were chop wounds all over the body. The police have not yet identified the deceased. 25-year-old Nathan Witter, the inmate who escaped from the Tamarind Farm Adult Correctional Center in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Thursday, was recaptured at a house in Port Antonio, Portland on Friday morning. Witter, who was serving a sentence for firearm-related offenses at the facility, was held by police during a target raid at a house on King Street in Port Antonio sometime after 11 a.m. The police stated that they're conducting further investigation into the development. The Department of Correctional Service reported that an officer at the correctional center informed that at approximately 9:50 a.m. on Thursday, Witter escaped from among a group of 12 inmates who were working on the institution's farm. He was reportedly seen running towards the main road from the institution and was unsuccessfully chased by the correctional officers. Witter was incriminated for illegal possession of firearm and ammunition and had been sentenced to a total of 4 years for the offenses. He is said to be from Orange Hill in Brownstown, St. Anne. A joint operation involving the St. James PIU, OST, and members of the Jamaica Defense Force has resulted in the apprehension of Lorenzo Walters, otherwise called Larry, who was on the St. James wanted list for a double murder and wounding with intent. He was held on Sunday, October 29. A woman was arrested in relation to the incident. Reports are that between the hours of 4 a.m. and 7:30 a.m. on Sunday, the Joint Security Force team conducted the operation at the premises in search of Walters. During the operation, the premises that was occupied by a 26-year-old woman, a sister of Walters, was searched and Walters was seen and apprehended. Additionally, 6 letter-sized sheets of paper, 3 notebooks containing identity information, 8 cellular phones, and 1 tablet was also seized by the police. Both Walters and his sister were arrested. Walter is to be slapped with additional charges, and his sister is being held for harboring a fugitive. However, her identity is being withheld pending further investigations.